Whoa! Hefner, you did good. This is new to me. Took off, boys. Whoa! That's pretty strong, people. That's real strong. This is where we've come with cars. Damn! What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambros Steve. We're at the track in Independence, Kansas. Look at this thing. Jason, right now you're hooked up to a computer. He's activating the fuel pump from a laptop. This is where we've come with cars. This is new to me. Whoa! Took off, boys. Hefner, you did good. Okay, we just talked to Jake and the number was 207. That's pretty strong, people. That's real strong. You got DDE represent! All right, so Jacob is about to run. It's right there in the Huracan. We've just talked to Heffner, and I'm trying to get him to see if he dials it in to 218. Whoa! 214.1. Damn! That's fast, ain't it? That's good. He said that this one just ran 230. Here comes the Performance that he did the 204. What'd you see on the Speedo?
210. Yeah, I have a video of the Speedo.
Okay, we got 210 on the Speedo and 2.4 radar GPS time. What do you think? 204 on the Perf?
I wanted to see the thing make some clean gear changes, and then once we got traction and wheel speed under control, so we're not spinning tires and blowing the tires off, and I want to make it safe for them. So now I seem to hook up pretty good and shift gears well, and so we'll see if we can get some more power into it.
So we got a 204, we got a 214, got a 211, and we're chasing that 218. I'm just gonna kind of get out here in this field about as far as I can get before the announcer starts screaming at me. Okay, we're up, homies. Got a little bit different angle here. Still walking out. Here he goes. Oh, he's spinning. I don't know what just spit out the back of that, but that was a big ball of fire. Jeez. Let's see what they say he did. Apparently he said both cars knew best. So it had to be over 214.1. I wonder if it's gonna be 218, Jason Heffner. This is Jessica. They keep announcing that she's running 214, 211, and 201. Were you in the car for the 214? Tell me about that when you grabbed sixth gear. What was that like?
Oh, it was amazing.
It was amazing.
Really amazing.
Cadence, did you think she did good?
I think she did amazing.
She does good driving that car from the sideline. I will tell you that. It's pretty freaking amazing.
Spiritually there, okay?
Yeah, she's there in spirits. Oh, it's 1320! Kyle, give me your autograph!
Oh my God, I'm out.
Dude, I took you a hat.
I know, thank you for the gifts. I
a
appreciate it.
keychain and everything, so I didn't bring any shirts. He's been,
Really?
it at 211, but then the last couple times it hasn't done
That's fast.
as good. That is fast, yeah. What'd you hit in your R8?
200.6. First
Wow,
pass.
that's good, yeah. I did that, well, my Speedo said 203 in Kansas on I-70 on the way to Corsa Rally, the first time I did. But, it's speedometer versus I think the
My Speedo
Performance.
I guess it depends on your tires. My Speedo said like 198 when I finished, but my tires are a different height than factory.
Well, the Performance, he said it said 210 on his Speedo, and they clocked him at 204. So, I don't know, people. So I think our 214.1 is the top time for today for me, because I got to bounce. A Viper just ran 221 throughout the big shoot at the end. So we got to get back to Tulsa. I've literally been traveling for, it feels like 20 days, and have not seen my wife in about 20 days. So I'm gonna head home. We got some good film of these cars running. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Later. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.